the 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.